So over here, you can see that I got these texts right here, and you can see that I have different titles right here. Over here on the left hand side, you can actually click on these titles right here to minimize and expand the subtitles, and go ahead and click on different spaces right here to go ahead on to different titles, as you can see right here. You can even go ahead and click on it, and if there's any subtitles, it'll expand it. And you can go ahead and click on individual titles right here, just like this, to go ahead and work around with it. You can go to conclusion, references, as you can see right here, and you easily go around over here onto these areas. So if I were to go ahead and, let's say for example, add in another title, like let's say for example, introduction right here, just like this, and you can go around and then you can go ahead and choose, let's say for example, a title right here, just like this, then this is what you have. You can actually go around and see the title right here, just like this. So that is how you can go ahead and then utilize the output and the navigation right here, just like this, inside of Terabox. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.